How to delete Instagram story suggestions when typing. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy method to do so. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to delete those Instagram story suggestions when typing. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If not, go and open the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, and with the help of the search bar at the top, you can search for Instagram. If you see update button next to the Instagram app, simply tap on it and update your app. Once done, tap on open button and then make sure to log in or sign in to your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select the three-line menu icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. On this page, you need to select your activity. Scroll down and choose the recent searches. On this page, you will see all your search history on Instagram. To clear all, select Clear All button at the top right corner and then select the Clear All button. Once you have cleared all this search history, come back to Settings and Activity page, scroll down at the bottom and then choose Help. Report a problem and then you need to report problem without checking. Here if you wish to include and continue, select it, otherwise select Don't include. Now here you can briefly explain what's not working or what actually happened, your issue on this page. If you don't know how to write it, you can simply copy and paste this, what I have written on this page and select the same button at the top right corner of the screen. You can also upload any kind of screenshot if you have. So now you have to wait for Instagram to respond to your request. Once they have responded, and they will help you to solve this kind of issues, and it will delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So that's it for today. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.